Why are there not more people talking about Jamaican truckers' favorite pit stops? The answer might surprise you. Picture this. You're driving through Jamaica's lush landscapes, and suddenly you spot a bar with a group of lively, brown-skinned girls dancing outside.
Whoa!
That's when you know you've hit the jackpot. It's time to Kool Yuh Brakes.
Stop.
These stops aren't just about grabbing a quick bite or drink. They're vibrant social hubs where truckers unwind, share stories, and enjoy the island's unique vibes. Spots like Kool Yuh Brakes offers drivers free showers. This is the perfect way to unwind and relax before hitting the road again. Take advantage of their shoulder massage specials from one of their beautiful NUFF LOADS girls. Just remember to tip generously. The presence of these cheerful girls adds a touch of warmth and hospitality, making the experience feel like a mini celebration every time. Living up to the mantra. The ultimate trucker's escape. Many of these bars are family-run, offering homemade Jamaican dishes and the best rum punch you'll ever taste. Please ask your Kool Yuh Brakes bartender for the rum punch special called Blue Ocean. Their signature rum punch is to drive miles for, so sit back and enjoy a premium cigar, or step it up to an exclusive Jamaican blend. Don Morgan cigars infused with a cool Jamaican mint extract flavor. Kool Yuh Brakes. It's about community, culture, and those little moments of enjoyment on the road. Their way of showing appreciation to our hard-working truckers. So next time you're in Jamaica, keep an eye out for these hidden gems. But make sure if you are in St. Elizabeth, New Holland, look out for Kool Yuh Brakes. 1 mile west of Holland Bamboo. On your right, across from the Holland Ball Field. Please let us know your experience when you do. You might find it to be your new favorite spot. This video was brought to you by NUFF LOADS, the future of Jamaican trucking. Please like, share, and subscribe. Tell them NUFF LOADS sent you.
Kool Yuh Brakes is the place to be. Truck parking available.
Waiting on you guys.